guys, welcome to the channel of Abhijila Diary. So today we are going to unbox this Realme watch that is I ordered from the Realme website, and the watch is pretty fine and the box is also the pretty good. So here in the side box it is written the brand name Realme on the left side and the right side both. On the back side of the box it's written the large color display, water strap watch strap. That is two type of straps available. It's one is classic and fashion. I ordered in a fashion strap. And the daily activity tracking, XPO2 and 24 into 7 heart rate monitor and 14 sport mode. So in this video I'll just going to just unbox this unbox this watch only. The watch boxes is pretty good. Its packing is also very fine, and in front box it is written Realme Watch. So its quality is also good as I picked up, and it's very nice cardboard they are packing. And in as we can see that in every mobile also their quality of that packing is very good. uh, and they provide a very good quality of that cardboard. So guys, let's just take it out this watch from this box, uh, and just let me open this. mm, yeah, and it has 1.4 inch of display, as and its design is very good. It has a square shape of display. So there's a chrome button also at the top. You can see that to lock in this watch, in this strap. So let's just keep this box aside. And the watch is pretty lightweight as compared to the Apple Watch, as I have wear the one Apple Watch. So it is good compared to this. I mean, it's not good, it's pretty okay. So I like this side button also, with shining with the yellow color. And in back side you can see that they have a sensor which they can they can track in the daily activities like tracking activity and heart rate monitors and all. So let's just see it in the box, what is it. Okay, so I'll just switch on the for this watch. So here let's select the languages, and it shows scan and download the app. Okay, so here we used to we need to get this app, that is a Realme Link app. That is, you need to get it from the Play Store, or else you can scan it from here also. So without this I'm not thinking that it will start. Yeah, it's not starting without this. Okay, so I need to just pair these devices, and in next video I'll just give you the full detailed video of this phone, what all the features they have, and what all the 14 sport modes really. Just look it on this. So guys, this is the charger. They don't provide any adapter with this, because they are just a normal USB. You can plug it onto your laptop or any of the power bank or any of the mobile adapters. So guys, this is the product and user manual and the watch itself. So I hope this video will be useful for you for buying. If you say that what is good, why you choose this Realme watch, I must say that I choose it because I am I am a fan of Realme. And even I also like the Noise Color Fit Pro 2. Even I have seen the many videos in I have seen their unit also. But when I compared this watch to that watch, I like pretty good in this Realme, because it has very good color display, and its price is also pretty fine. So that's it. Even the display is also 1.4 centimeter. I mean, oh, sorry, 1.4 inch. That is compared to the centimeter, I think so 3.5 something like that. So it also track the 24 hours monitor. And so guys, this is just a quick unboxing of this Realme watch. So its battery, let me tell you the battery capacity. It has in as the Realme claim that it could run around 7 to 9 days. and during this 10 days it can only run without the heart monitor, and if you run continuous heart monitor it can run around 7 days. And while if you on the 24-hour heart rate monitor with every 5 minutes of checking on that. So guys, this is it for the Realme Watch unboxing. Kindly just subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and hit the bell icon also when you subscribe. And also I need to get a like from your side so that I can put more videos like this in the gadgets and support. So this is it, just in an Abhijila diary. Stay safe.